Hi friends, in last lecture we have discussed about the calculation of static degree of indeterminacy for portal frame. So in this lecture we will discuss how to calculate the SDI for truss. While calculating the SDI for truss, you have to calculate the external indeterminacy as well as internal indeterminacy. The external indeterminacy, that is nothing but the excessive reactions as compared to the available equilibrium equations, and internal indeterminacy, that is nothing but the excessive forces as compared to the available equilibrium conditions. Here is the formula for calculating the external indeterminacy, that is R minus E, where R is reaction and E is number of equilibrium equations available. Then internal indeterminacy, that is calculated by formula M minus 2J minus 3, where M is nothing but the number of members, J is nothing but the number of joints for that particular truss. Then total degree of indeterminacy is calculated as addition of these two, that is external and internal indeterminacy. Let us see first problem. In this problem, this is our truss and there are three supports A, B and C. At A support it is hinge, B is roller and C is roller. First we have to calculate the external indeterminacy. For that, count the number of reactions here. That is, for hinge support there are two reactions, for roller 1, again for roller 1, means total number of reactions is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4, and number of equilibrium equations available, that is equal to 3, that are summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, and summation of moment is equal to 0. From that we can calculate the external indeterminacy R minus E, that is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Then we have to calculate the internal indeterminacy. First count the number of members. This dash shows the number of members. Here it is crossed members, but it is not joined here, means do not consider this as a joint. Only the members are crossed, and this is the front view of this truss. So count the number of members: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Means number of members, the value of M is 11. Then count number of joints, where the members connected with each other, that is called as joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number of joints is equal to 6. Hence the internal indeterminacy, that is equal to M minus 2J minus 3. Put the value of M as 11, J as 6, we get 2 as internal indeterminacy. And total SDI, that is static degree of indeterminacy, that is equal to external plus internal indeterminacy, that is 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Then see here second problem. This is our truss structure. First you have to calculate the number of reactions for given supports. This is hinge support, 2 reactions, hinge support again 2 reaction, hinge support 2 reaction, roller support 1 reaction, roller support 1 reaction and hinge support 2 reactions. Means total number of reactions, that is equal to 10. Then number of equilibrium equations available, that is that are 3. From this you can calculate the external indeterminacy, that is R minus E, that is equal to 7. Then for calculating the internal indeterminacy, count the number of members and number of joints. First, count the number of members: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Number of members, that are 18. Then count number of joints: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Number of joints, that are 10. Put the value of M and J in this equation. You get 1 as internal indeterminacy. By adding these two, you get the value of total static indeterminacy for this particular truss, that is equal to 8. Then this is our third problem. Again you have to apply same procedure here, that is you have to count the number of reactions, number of members, number of joints for the supports at A, B, C, D. Number of reactions, that is equal to 6. Then for this particular truss, number of members, that is equal to 15. Then number of joints are 8, and external indeterminacy, that is R minus E. Put the value of R as 6, you get, that is equal to 3. Then internal indeterminacy, you have to put the value of M and J here. You get the value as 2, and total indeterminacy for this particular structure, that is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. So here we complete the calculation of static degree of indeterminacy for truss structure. In next lecture we will discuss how to calculate the kinetic degree of indeterminacy for different structures. Thank you.